Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening to you guys. Good evening. Thank you for coming in. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So we are just going to start out, teach how to draw brows and how to apply eyeshadow. Okay, that is what we come out for this night. Hi, my post. How are you? Maratu. Good evening. Thank you for coming in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And please kindly help me to share, please, as we start. Okay, we're not just going to take too much time today. Thank you so much, Tura. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we have to start now. Yeah. Precious Paul, thank you. Good evening. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have to hang this so that we'll be seeing it. We'll be seeing it. Hang it. Okay. Can we see comments? Thank you so much, Precious. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we're not going to teach how to draw brows, okay? Please, if you know you're not sharing me out, please kindly share me out, okay? So that we can start. I'm not going to waste too much time today. I'm just going to teach how to draw your brows and how to apply your eyeshadow very easy, okay? So it's going to be very easy. The way we're going to apply the eyeshadow is going to be very easy, so that you can understand it very well for those that don't know how to draw their brows, okay? But we're not going to do full makeup today. Except if you guys want me to do that, then I can do it. But I don't come for that today, okay? So let's just start with the brows now. So I'm using brown pencil to draw my brows. So we're just going to start now. And just thank you for the love. Thank you so much. Thank you. So we're just going to start now. So now I'm going to draw the brows. You see the way I have tattoo here before, but it doesn't mean. But just see the way I'm going to draw the brows. So when you're drawing the brows, you don't have to start from inside the let's say, for example, here is where this is my hair, for example. So if you want to draw it, just take it down of your eyebrow. Just take it like this down. Then if I see doing the up, just take it from the edge of the hair down. So just see the way I'm going to draw it now. Okay, it's going to be very easy. Please just share me out. Okay, share me out. If you have not shared, share me out. Okay, that book and tripping. I've already shared also. Okay, so let's start. See the way I'm drawing it now. You'll just be doing it slowly. Okay. You see, so I'm drawing it the way it can suit me. Sister Grace, good evening. Thank you, Sister Grace. Thank you so much. Thank you for the light. Thank you, Ahin. Thank you so much, Sister Grace. See the way I just draw it. So I draw it on the shape because of the shape that I have, that I normally suits my face. That is how I normally draw my brows. You can draw it the way it suits your face. If you know that the shape that I'm doing can suit your face also, you can do the same thing with me, okay? I do it again. You see that I just take it through the edge. I take it through the edge. You see it? So now I have to do the up also. I'm going to make it a little bit wider than the one that I had before. I'm drawing it bigger than the one I had before. Sister Lovely, good evening. See the way I'm drawing it now. So I just draw this first one. See the way I just draw the first one. So there is no hair. Then make sure that when you're drawing the brows. Good evening, Sister Lovely. Thank you for coming in. Good evening. See the way I just draw the brows now. There is no hair here. Make sure that when you're doing this, you have to shave your hair first. It's very important. Try and shave your brows. So when you shave it before you're able to draw it. See where I just did them. Mine, I don't have any hair there. You see it? Even though when hair is coming out, I normally shave all the hair out from my face, you know. So you see the way I just draw, there is no hair. Make sure when you're drawing, don't allow hair to be under the eyebrow. Okay? Make sure you take off the hair out from that place. See the way I'm doing at the up now. We're going to the up. Thank you, Sister Lovely. We are going to the up now. The up. You don't have to allow hair to be at the up also. So when you are drawing it, you have to be careful. And make sure the easiest way for you to draw this brows very well. Just go to the salon to help you to shave your brows very well for you. When you are lining it with your eye pencil, to be very easy for you to do that. Okay? So now I'm doing the up now. Do it slowly. You see it? Take it up, then you bring it down. See that it's very easy. It's very easy. So now we have to shade inside. Gloria Doe said you want to learn how to draw brows. You came late now. You came late. Thank God you still have time. Because I've not done the other side. So I've done with the first part now. Of which, as I said it before, I said it's very easy. And you said you want to learn how to draw brows and you came late. Good evening, Sister Gloria Doe. You came late. So you see it, and now I'm shading inside. Even though you draw it anyhow, concealer will still correct everything for you. Okay? It's concealer is going to correct everything for you. See the way I just do it now? From the up, yeah, you take it down. No matter how you draw the brows, concealer is going to correct everything for you. So let's go to the other side now. I'll start from the edge. Gloria Doe, watch now. Just watch. Okay? Make sure if you are doing it, don't allow hair to be here. You have to shave your shape. You have to shave the shape of the hair. You move all the hair there. And you know that there is no hair here. Okay? When you are drawing when you want to draw your brows, make sure you go to the salon. So they will shape the hair for you. So when you are drawing it, will be very easier for you to use your eye pencil to draw it. Okay? So that's what I'm doing now. Let's assume now that this tattoo I have is where the hair is. So now we're going to use it. I have to use the pencil now to draw it. Okay? So we have to take it from the edge. You see it now? I take it from the edge, but there is no hair also here, and you see the other side there is no hair there. Make sure that don't allow hair to be there. Okay? Then we have to do this pencil. Okay, I've sharp it. Now, let me do it again. You see it? Just take it through the edge. Depends on the way you shave your brows, okay? The up. You see it? Then take it like this. Then you bring it down. You see the way I just do it? Very easy. Bring it down, then shade inside. It's very easy. It's very easy. So anyhow you draw it now, concealer will correct everything. Okay? See the way I just draw it now. Even though you draw it like this, make sure that concealer will correct everything for you. So that's what you're going to do now. So I'm going to use concealer to correct it now, because the way I draw it is big, but concealer will correct everything for you. That is why you have to use concealer. So now here's my concealer. I'm going to use concealer now. You see, so I'm going to correct now with concealer. Before that, I have to use brush to blend it up. So let me use my brush because I want it to look natural here. So I have to blend it out here a little bit. Then here also, I'll make it natural there. Yeah, you see it? Make it natural. Okay, you see it now? Then let's go. So anyhow you do it, concealer will just correct everything for you. See the way I'm just doing it now? Very easy. You see it? So let's do the up. I'm still going to use the same concealer to apply the up. You see it? You see the brows now? See how it is? So now we go to the other side. Please, ma'am, be showing us the concealer. Okay, sorry. The concealer I just used is medium coverage. It's medium coverage from Douglas. You can get it from Douglas. Medium coverage concealer. Okay? Sorry, medium cover concealer. It's from Douglas. That's the concealer I just used. Sorry, I'm married to. Sorry for that. So this is what I'm using now. This is concealer that you will use to correct everything. You can get it from Douglas wherever you live. I think most of the countries they have Douglas. They have Douglas shop. You can get it in Douglas. Okay, you see they wrote it there, Douglas. That I just used to shape it up now. Sorry for that. Because I didn't see the comment before. Sorry. So that is it. You see, so that is what you will use to correct it. Anyhow you see that this one is different from this one. Anyhow you draw it, even though you draw it wrongly. Because this concealer is going to help you to define everything. You see it now? So you see the difference. This is how it was before, and this is how I draw it because of the concealer. So anyhow you draw it, concealer is going to correct everything. Okay? So that is what I just did now. So let's go to the other side. Now we are done with this place. So let's go to the other side. Thank you so much. It's very easy. It's very easy. It's not difficult to draw brows. You see that this one is bigger than this one, so when you're doing, you have to be checking it. You have to be checking the both sides, okay? See it now? It's the same. See that it's the same? The brows is the same now. So let's do the eyeshadow now, okay? Now we go for the eyeshadow. So now I'm still applying the concealer here. Because I'm just going to do a simple look there. It's just going to be a simple look. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm still using the same concealer now. Oh, I can't go for. Because I don't want to do my full face. I could do full face, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. Just going to teach how to draw apply the eyeshadow the easiest way. So apply your eyeshadow. Sister Nancy, good evening. Good evening, Sister Nancy. So it's just going to be easy, although I'm not going to do full face. As I said before, I'm just going to do only the eyeshadow on how to draw eyebrows. It's what I just came out to do. Except if people want me to do full face, I can do that also, okay? I'm not in a hurry. If people want me to do that, I will do it for you, but I didn't come out for that. If you want me to do that, I can do it for you guys, okay? I think I have to try this, my brush. So now I'm just blending. Just keep on tapping. I'm sorry, I'm using my, for sister Maritu. This is the brush that you can use to apply your concealer. As you said, the concealer should be showing what I'm using. So this is the brush that you, the concealer has its own brush also that you can use to blend it. If you don't want to use, if you don't want to use, if you don't have the brush that you want to use, if you don't have the concealer brush that you use to blend it, you can use any other brush of your choice to do it. It's after it can blend it for you very well. You can use this one to do it. You can also use this one. Or they normally has names, but they normally wrote his name on it. Okay, you can use this one also to blend. If you cannot blend, if you don't want to use beauty blender to do it, then you can just go for it. If you like, if you want to go with the brush, you can use brush. Also, for me, I normally use beauty blender also, and I also normally use brush also. You can use this the brush. You can also use also to blend it. But all of them has names. You see it? You can use this one, and you can also use this one also. This one is very not the way it is. You can also use this one to blend it because this one is full here. So you can use one to blend it. You can also use this one. You see it? This is the one you can use to blend. You can use to blend the concealer. So I'm using this one. This one is still the same thing to blend concealer. To blend the concealer. Okay. Sister Lizzie, good evening. Good evening, Sister Lizzie. Thank you for coming in. Thank you so much. So now, you see, you have to blend it very well. You see it? So you blend it very well. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming in. Thank you. You see it? You just have to blend it very well. Okay? You see it now? So I'll blend this, please. I'll blend it now. Because it's going to be very easy when you apply your eyeshadow. If it's difficult for you to draw, to do different color eyeshadow, you don't want to add too much makeup on your face, you want to make it a dramatic look, you can just do this one I'm going to create now. Very easy for you to do. Okay? So let's go for this palette. I'm going to use this palette. And the color I want to use, it's going to be, I'm going to use this one, just this color, okay? Maybe when I've done with it, if I can be able to add yellow to it, I will still do that. But let me just start first with this. If I can go with only this, I'll just do this. I don't know if it's beginner's look, just one color. Or if I can blend it again with another color. I see that the look is not suit to my taste, then I can add yellow to blend it up. But you can go for one also, like just like this, just a simple look. You know, it look like smoking, but it's not smoking. It's smoking also, it's smoking, okay? And let me just add this one to it. I'm not doing cut crease. So the one I just add now is the lighter one in concealer. It's concealer also. It's concealer. Thank you, Sister Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sister Lovely. Thank you. Sylvia, thank you. Good evening, Sister. Good evening. How are you doing now? Thank you so much, Sylvia. Thank you. Thank you, Sister Lizzie. Thank you also. Thank you so much. And please, if you are not sharing me, just do that, please. So just teach how to draw brows and how to apply eyeshadow. The easiest way for you. And you can apply your eyeshadow. Yeah. Just make sure you blend it very well. Blend it very, very well. So we're done with that. So now we're going to apply the eyeshadow now. Let me use this one. So I'm going to use this now to apply my eyeshadow brush, okay? So I'm going for this color. See the way I started it. So I just started it from this place. Just look the way it's gonna look. Gloria Dose, sure you are watching me. See the way I just apply on now. Not tell me say you don't understand any color you want to apply for your face. Just do this easiest way. Gloria Dose, I'm talking to you. You don't know how to do anyone. You don't know how to apply the eyeshadow. So the easiest way for you now is what I'm just doing. I just focus on it. Okay? You are seeing where I draw my brows now. I'm seeing where I'm applying the eyeshadow now. Then if you use your concealer finish, blend all those places. Then you need to apply your eyeshadow. Because where I add this one now, you can still do it without this one. You can just do it. You can do it without before I use this concealer, before I use this, because I want the color to pump out way. That is why I now add this one to it, this whiter color to it. Then this one is the one I used to blend it before. Then you can see with only the concealer, you can see go with eyeshadow. If you don't find that I normally like a dramatic look, like the look that normally pump out very well, just go for only this. Don't even add this one. Make it very simple, okay? Just do it very simple, okay? You understand now? The way I just apply now, you feel kind of like this. They're very simple. But the way it beat my face now, I don't love the color like that. But I'll still use another of my own method. This another color on top. You can go, you can just do it, just one color like this. You can move with one color like this, okay? But for me, I'm still going to add another color to the up, okay? So let's go to the other side. Save the video so you can learn some more. Yeah, thank you, Maritu. Thank you so much. Yeah, she can save it because she normally watch my video also. She normally watch my video also. So when you ever talk, she read them. So when you save the video, try to watch. And this one I love to do today. Try to save this one. Make sure you learn them. You know, understand? But that's the easiest way to apply your makeup. And now see what it says if you want to do full face. How I do full face. When you say it's easier for you. In case you want to apply your foundation, I'll still do one for you. You don't do my eyeshadow. I'll still apply them. I'll still do one. You see everything still go perfect. Because it's very easy for you to apply your eyeshadow and whatever. But you say the way I do them for life, they say they do apply for our face too much. There's other way that you can apply those things on your face to be so very easy. I don't take you up to 10 minutes to finish it. You don't understand? Sister Glory, hear me? Maybe another day I will do that one. The easiest way to apply your eyeshadow, okay? Your foundation and up. I'll still teach that one. How to apply your foundation. Okay. You see now? I don't want to go with only this color like this. You see the way the color be now? Then I will have to add yellow on it. I will add yellow on top, okay? I will use the yellow to blend the up out. Then you will not see the look. I think I'm supposed to use another brush. I'm going to go for another brush. Let me use this one to blend it up. Let me use this one. So let me go for this yellow. See, that if you don't want to add another color against the look, I just do so. Very easy. It's for you to just blend everything here, blend everything out. Just blend it like this. So everything will look natural. Just blend it out like this. You see, just blend everything out. But I'm still going to add yellow on top. See the look. See how the color be. So this is the way I just want it, you know. You actually see I'm not glory. So you like the look now, do like this one now. Eh? I like glory. So I will still use the same brush again. I put the palette safe, okay. So you see like this one now, Sister Glory. Eh? I will still use the same brush again. You see, see the look. So that's how the color be. So let's go for the other side. This look when I do now, if I do makeup, then I will see the beauty of this eyeshadow when I just do so. You will see how it will look. You want to make sure you blend down very well. You know, see the line. You blend it out very well. See, so I don't see the line. Yeah. Just make sure you blend it very well. Just blend it very well. See how the look is now. See it. See how? So now I have to still blend here. You just have to blend everything out. See it now. See the look. See the look now. So I saw the thing be. Sister Lovett. Sister Lovett. Good evening. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you. You see how now? See the look. See how? So this is how the look is. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. So this is how the look is. If you want me to do it more further, so you can see the look, I can still do that too. If you follow that. If I want to do it, then I will do it for you. If you want me to do the full face, then I will do it. Yeah, you see now. Perfect. Yeah, you see it. Perfect look. See the look. I've not even added my eyeshadow now. See how the thing be. Very beautiful. So then I'll come put my eyeliner. Thank you, those. So you like as it is. So now that's how I draw the eyebrows and the eyeshadow now. It's very easy, not the hard. And the eyeshadow not even day easy pass. You know? Not even day easy pass. So this is all I have to do for today. I'm not doing full face because except you guys want me to do full face, then I can do that. Come here, this is so okay. So then I will still need to put eyelash. So I can see the way I'm applying eyelash on it, okay? Now just do the fix the eyelash put. Thank you, Sister Love. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. So let me apply my eyeshadow, then I will fix my eyelash for there. And I will see, and I will show you how to fix my eyelash. But they say it's very easy for you to fix the eyelash. So now I apply my eyeliner. I don't want to carry on. Come like this, no. I'm just going to end it here. I'll just end down from there. Then we'll still go for the other side. Sister Love, make I do full face. Or you say yes? Sister Love it. You say yes. I don't understand. May I do full face? Okay. Say may I do the full face? Because it's too late now. Okay, no. Thank you. We'll leave that one for some other time. So may I do my eyelash put now, okay? Eyebrow is good. Okay, thank you, Sister Love it. That's nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, because that's just I just came out for not to do eyeshadow today. Because I normally do my full face every Wednesday. I normally do my full face every Wednesday and every Saturday 2 p.m. So on Wednesday I will be on live for full face. Although I'm still going to try to be going to YouTube now. Maybe from Thursday, I don't know. Maybe I'll tweet, but on Thursday I want to be going to YouTube also to be doing my live video there. And from Thursday by 2 p.m. also I will be doing my live video there. Or I might still do it in the night by 9 o'clock. I've not set the time yet. So now I'm not going to apply my. Normally, if you want the eyelash to stay, you can put the glue on your eyeliner under your eyeliner before you put the eyelash. Okay, but me, I'm just going to put it without the glue on the top of the eyeliner. So I don't want to do that tomorrow on YouTube channel. Gloria does tomorrow on YouTube channel. You happy me? I don't understand though. Just let me go like go YouTube tomorrow like you. So let me just do. Let me do. First I have to do my. I have to use my mascara to take bring my hair up. You see it? So now, this is the eyelash now. Then if you want to put it, just like this. Hold it like this. Then you have to position it like this. Then you position it like this. Very easy. You see it? Make sure you do it like this before you put it. Then you can hold it like this. So let's go to the other side. So this is it. Because I didn't fix my full face. So that is it. So let me just do the under eye. Then we leave the rest. Okay. Let me just do here. So that you can see the beauty of it. Okay. I just put concealer for there. May not be say. See. Then I will use my hand. Because I'm not doing full face. I will just use my hand to tap it. See it? So now, let's put something there. You know what color I'm going to put there? I'm going to use pink there. Let me not waste brush. So I'm going to put pink there. Before that, I'm supposed to use an eye pencil, which is this one, to line under my eye. Let me set it out first with my powder. Let me just set it out with my powder first. Okay, let me use this one to set it out. Yeah, to set it out. So my eye pencil. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to use pink under my. I'm using pink. Which is this color? You see the look? I never put my this sassy bean or sassy fine. Sassy look fine. I will call you. Okay, sister love it. Okay, no problem, sister love it. Okay? No wahala, sister love it. No wahala, okay? And you see now? So now I have to separate my brows. Separate the brows. Then you will see the look of it. You see the way I just separate the brows. Now just blend here, follow my skin. Not be say, see how? That's how you just separate your brows. Do not look natural. So I'm just clean this place. Let the beauty come out small. So it's okay like this. You see it now. So that is it. Thank you, sister. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. So you see the look. I see I been now. Very fine and beautiful. Very lovely. You see it. You see it. Very beautiful. So that's how you have to do it. Very easy to apply your eyeshadow. Okay. Then if you don't want to finish, you can still just see you. If you want to use your highlight there, you can just put your highlight on that place. Okay. So let me just show it first. When you are doing that, you have to put your highlight there. Here's my bro. Okay. You just touch small highlight there, which is this one. Revolution. This is my highlight that I'm using. Just tap it on top that place. Yeah. Gloria, there. Gloria, are you seeing it? So that place will highlight out. Blend it. Yeah. Blend it. So you see now? See the place after highlight on? So that's how the look is. Very easy look. You don't even have to stress on it. Very easy. You see it? This place now pump out very well because of the eyeshadow that I applied there. You see it? I didn't even use spray on it now. When I even use spray on it, to be so to be flawless, I did put spray. But although I don't want to do that because I'm just teaching how to do that. But after you have do your makeup and everything, you can just put the spray on your face. But with that one, don't need that now because I'm just teaching how you can apply your eyeshadow on your face. The easiest way to do that, and it's very easy. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in this night. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you. You have seen the look now, and it's very beautiful look. So that is it. You see it? You see how it looks? Very beautiful and sexy. Yeah. So that is it. You have seen the look now. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sister Glory. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. So you see the way I fix, sister girl, you see the way I fix the eyelashes now. Very easy, in case you want to fix your own. You don't see that I fix the eyelash now. If you want to make it stay long for you, you first apply the super glue. This was the glue that I used. It was eyes glue. It's what I just used. You first apply the glue under your eyeliner before you put the eyelash. It said you just stay. It will not be easy hard for you to fix. Okay? Thank you, sister lovely. Thank you so much. May God bless you all today. Thank you so much. So this is the look of today. Thank you, sister lovely. I really appreciate you, sister lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sister lovely. I really appreciate you, sister lovely. Thank you so much. May God bless you all for today. Thank you. So bye for now. Bye bye. Thank you. I love you. I'll see you guys on Wednesday 2 p.m. Okay? Bye. Good night. Bye bye.